Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be talking to you about how to set the latitude and longitude on your home location for your Casio PRG240 watch. Now this is module 3246. Even if you don't have the PRG model, it should work for any module 3246 watch or 3173, which is the same watch, just has the dark display, basically the inverted color display. So the main thing when you get this watch is you've got to have two things set or you're going to get invalid readings primarily on your sunrise and sunset. And that is your home city and your latitude and longitude. Now the way we're going to get to both of those settings is we're going to simply start in the timekeeping mode and we're going to press and hold the adjust button, which is the middle button on the left hand side. The first thing that comes up blinking should be your home city. Now I've got my home city set just fine. I'm in Texas, so Mexico is going to be the closest home city location for me. That's going to be the first value. If you need to change that, you can simply press the compass or altimeter button to move up or down to go through the different home city locations. So I've got that set okay. I'm going to go ahead and back out of this. But what I wanted to show you is when I press the mode button, it'll take me to my sunrise and sunset times, and I can tell that something is off here. Here's my sunset, here's my sunrise, and those are nowhere near what they should be, showing that sunrise is at 2:05 p.m. when in reality it's something more like 6:30, something like that, 6:30 a.m. So what we're going to do is you always want to make sure that your latitude and longitude values are correct as well. A lot of people go in and they'll get their home city set correctly, and then they'll still have invalid readings. They'll send the watch back. Well, it's because your latitude and longitude is off. So I'm going to show you how to set that. Very similar to what we just did. We're going to press and hold the adjust button. Once we see our home city blinking, we're going to simply press the adjust button once. And what that's going to do is it's going to take us to our latitude and longitude settings. Now we can simply use the compass or altimeter button and we can adjust these accordingly. So you can press and hold it down. If you need to go the other direction, you could press and hold down the altimeter. I should have gone the other direction. Because I need north 30. There is a site data location chart on the Casio website as well as in the owner's manual that will tell you the value you need. Once you've got your latitude or longitude set, you can simply press the mode button and it will toggle between the two. So I can go back and forth and adjust them accordingly. So now we need to do, in my case, I need to do west 95. And this is going to take a few minutes depending on how far off you are. Okay, I've got mine set the way I want. Once you have it set the way you want, you're simply going to press the adjust button one time. And now I've successfully set the latitude and longitude on my watch. So now my home city is set correct and my latitude and longitude is set correct. I'm going to press the mode button and check out my sunrise and sunset times, and they're much more accurate. We can see that the sunrise is at 5:50 a.m., which is about right, and sunset is at 6:55 p.m. So now I've successfully adjusted my home city completely using home city and latitude and longitude. I hope the video helps.